Hello everyone and welcome to my very first makeup tutorial, a bit warts and all, okay, so no fancy lighting, setups or anything like that. To prep, all I've done is exfoliate in the shower with a flannel and use some steam cream and a sort of really basic moisturiser. As you can see, I have started off with a concealer under the eye and just like dotted it around a little bit as I'm blending. This is a Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser. I've put a link to this and all the other products that I've used in the description below. After the concealer, once I've got that all blended, I move on to eyes using my Ted Baker eyeshadow trio palette. I think someone gifted this to me for Christmas actually. There's some quite nice sort of neutral shades, but you know, like a little bit of a shimmer there. So I started off with the lighter shade and used the slightly bigger eyeshadow brush to apply that. I then moved on to a smaller brush and applied the sort of peachy kind of mid-range colour, just kind of as a sort of a bit of a eyeliner, I guess, in a way, just along the sort of eyelash area. Blend up a little bit there. As you can see me just checking it out in my magnifying mirror that I've got just on the side. Use the bigger brush that I previously used for the lighter shade just to blend a little bit more, and a bigger brush just to get rid of some of the little sparkles that are kind of falling onto my cheeks and everything. I then used a smaller brush for the darkest of the three shades and just put a little bit in just along the lash line there. And again, as you can see, using slightly larger brush just to blend in. Obviously need to stop for a mouthful of tea every so often, has to be done. Blusher I'm really scared of, so I tend to put a little bit on underneath before I kind of finish off the powder, so that's what I've done there. I then move on to this. I love this product, Max Factor. It's not like the cheapest of kind of high street brand, but you get kind of quite good coverage and it lasts really, really well, which is what I like about it. And it's kind of a nice compact mirror, so it's a good one to sort of like kind of keep in your handbag and what have you. I sort of always have it at work with me. I'm not going to be using like an eyebrow gel or anything here. I'm just kind of like brushing them. The reason I'm not going to use like a gel or anything is because there's just so many scraggly eyebrow hairs there that it's not worth it. And I think it will just accentuate them and really disrupt them. What I am using is a clear mascara. Now the product I'm using there from ELF is it's like a double-ended one. So there's one for eyebrows and one for eyelashes. I then kind of try and get a bit brave with the blush and pop that on over the top of the powder. I kind of put it on underneath to begin with, as you saw earlier, to like build up a bit of confidence, and then a little bit more on top. But like I say, I kind of had this aversion to blusher. Now, it's really rubbish. Obviously, it's my first tutorial, so yeah, forgive me here. Putting on the lip gloss kind of out of shot there, so really sorry about that, guys. But as you can see, just pop that on, nice and nude shade. Again, link to that in the bio along with everything else.